So we've had a couple questions from some people asking whether they can hide their OBD device so that nobody can see it's even in the car. Now there's a really easy way to fix this. As you can see in my car, it's very visible to anyone that's getting into the vehicle. So I'm going to show you how to discreetly hide your DashTrack OBD device so that nobody will ever know that it's there. So it's pretty simple. In my car, I just have the device right here, and right above it is actually my fuse box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my fuse box cover, and you can see the fuses back there. I'm going to take off my DashTrack device, just like that. Put that aside. And now, all it is the little connectors are actually just clipped into this. So all I have to do is just get my hand in there, unclip it, and now it's loose. So I could just pop it right through. And I'll just bring it around so it's coming out of my fuse box, just like that. And I'll just plug my OBD DashTrack device right back in it, just like that. And now I'll just tuck it in. Anywhere is fine. You can zip tie them to anything. Close that. Close up my fuse box cover, and there you go. Simple as that. You did it with one hand. Awesome. And that's how you discreetly hide your DashTrack OBD device. Now, some cars are going to be a little harder than others, but every OBD device either is clipped in or screwed in, so you might need a screwdriver to unscrew the connector ports, but you can just easily take it off and hide it in the dash. And there you go.